Experiencing issues with your TalkTalk remote? You're not alone. Remote control unresponsiveness remains a common problem for TalkTalk TV boxes in 2025. Statistics show that battery issues account for approximately 40% of remote problems, while pairing issues make up about 35% of cases. Let's start with the most common fix: batteries. TalkTalk remotes typically use 2AA alkaline batteries, lasting 6 to 12 months depending on usage. Signs of low batteries include delayed response or complete unresponsiveness. Replace them with fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries, ensuring correct polarity. If new batteries don't solve the problem, the next step is to repair the remote. Most TalkTalk boxes use infrared communication, requiring a clear line of sight. To pair the remote, hold the TV and OK button simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. Some models may require holding the standby and OK buttons instead. A successful pairing is indicated by the LED flash. Make sure you're pointing the remote directly at the TalkTalk box during this process for the best results. When battery replacement and repairing don't solve your remote issues, it's time to try reset methods. These techniques can resolve deeper connectivity problems. The first reset method is a soft reset. Remove the batteries from your remote for exactly 30 seconds, then reinstall them. This clears the remote's temporary memory and can restore proper communication. If the soft reset doesn't work, you may need to perform a hard reset of the TalkTalk box itself. This should be used as a last resort, as it will reset all your settings and preferences. Before giving up, consider environmental factors that might be causing issues. Infrared interference from other devices can disrupt communication, and you need to be within the optimal distance range of 1 to 6 meters from your TalkTalk box. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact TalkTalk support for a remote replacement. Now let's look at the exciting future of remote control technology. The future of TalkTalk remotes is exciting. Newer models increasingly feature voice search capabilities, allowing you to simply speak your commands instead of navigating through menus. Bluetooth connectivity is replacing infrared technology, providing more reliable connections that don't require line of sight. This eliminates many of the interference issues we discussed earlier. Future remotes will integrate with smart home ecosystems, controlling multiple devices beyond just your TV box. They'll manage lighting, heating, and other connected devices from a single remote. The TalkTalk TV app already serves as a backup remote control solution. This mobile app provides full remote functionality and can be a lifesaver when your physical remote isn't working. Looking even further ahead, TalkTalk is developing predictive systems that will alert customers before their remote batteries die. This proactive approach will prevent many remote issues before they occur, making the viewing experience seamless and uninterrupted.